The 8 of diamonds, not bad, right? Fully fused and restored, not bad, yes! My name is Cameron Francis, and this is R.I.P. I have simplified the piece-by-piece torn and restored plot and made it really visual and really easy to do. So here's what happens. A card is selected from the deck and signed. The card is then lost in the deck. You pick up 2 jokers, wave them over the deck, and the signed selection appears between them. But that's only the beginning. You take their selection, rip it up into 4 pieces, and place them inside your pocket. You then say the pieces are going to jump back between the jokers, and you prove it, because the card visually restores 1 piece at a time between the jokers. The bicycle gimmicks that you're going to receive look amazing. And the best part is, the gimmicks can be reused over and over again, and the trick instantly resets at the end. This is a routine that has been in the works for a long time. I've been refining it and making it as visual as possible. Woo! This is R.I.P. Restored in pieces.